Hey guys, my name is Jeff, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170, which is the most powerful and quickest factory production muscle car ever produced. The Demon 170 is also the 7th last call car and final boss as Dodge turns to pursue their EV future with the all-electric Dodge Charger Daytona. This particular Demon 170 was actually the Las Vegas unveiling demonstration car, which means it spent more time in a helicopter than I have. The other cool part is Dodge has actually not cleaned this car since the event, and there's still all sorts of various marks throughout the car, including a ton of rubber caked in the rear wheel wells, which I think is amazing. It's such a great way to testament the fact that they flew in the car, ripped a burnout, then shot it down the drag strip with all the flames in the most Dodge unveiling thing that I have ever seen. Now this car was in Vegas again because it represented the final build, which sold twice at the 2023 Barrett Jackson Las Vegas auction, with all proceeds going to benefit the Kristi House charity for a combined $700,000. It initially sold for $300,000, then was donated back and sold for another $400,000, which is all for charity, which is very cool. And the winning bidder will get to choose a custom color for their actual car, making their Demon 170 truly a one-of-one car. The Demon 170 name comes from E85 being 170 proof race fuel, which feeds the new supercharged 6.2-liter V8 to produce 1,025 horsepower and 945 pound-feet of torque. On 93 octane pump gas, the Demon 170 still makes 900 horsepower and 810 pound-feet of torque. The Supercharged V8 only shares the camshaft with the previous Demon engine and is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission with a Transbrake and upgraded driveline components that are 50% stronger than the previous Demon for more hard launches to be able to put down more bus lengths between your competitors. In its lightest configuration, the Demon 170 weighs 4,268 pounds with the seat deletes and carbon fiber wheels like this one, and achieves 0 to 60 in just 1.66 seconds on a prep surface, pulling 2.004 Gs, which makes that the most of any street production car, and it has a certified quarter-mile time of 8.91 seconds and an estimated top speed of 215 miles per hour. Yeah, this thing is seriously fast. Now, these impressive feats also mean that the new Demon 170 is banned by NHRA, just like the old Demon in stock form, and will require a cage and parachute for competition. The main identifying exterior features would be the narrow front end with the rear wide body. Normally you see the wide body all around, but not the case here because it's not needed for drag racing. It also has the massive hood scoop carried over from the previous Demon and features new staggered wheels which come standard in aluminum or the optional 2-piece carbon fiber wheels which will set you back $12,000, and they cover the black Brembo brakes. And by the way, it's about 18-inch wheels in the front and 17-inch wheels in the rear. Now cosmetically, there are 14 colors to choose from unless you bought the last car at auction, and there's 2 satin black packages. Now this car is actually finished in triple nickel, and it has the higher priced hood, roof, deck lid satin black package for $3,700. Prices for the Demon 170 start at $96,666, that's a Demon joke, with a limited production of just 3,300 cars, 3,000 for the US and 300 for Canada. If you enjoyed the video, could hit that like button for me, I'd really appreciate it, and consider getting subscribed for more content like this in the future. And if you're excited for the Demon 170, let me know down in the comments below. And of course, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.